Take a moment to check out the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado HD. The all-new Silverado delivers smart technology, advanced safety features, improvements in bed and cargo design, and a refined level of comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.